Good day to mga kamatics! Welcome to my YouTube channel. The topic for today is about comparing integers. So, we'll proceed. So, integers. So, recap, 0, and positive integers, and negative integers. So, comparing integers is a number line tell us which is number has a greater value. So, the one to the right is always greater than the one to the left. So, if 3 and if we compare the 3 and 0, so ang 3 nandun siya sa right, which is ang 0 nandun naman sa left. So, masasabi natin na ang 3 is greater than 0. So, from the definition of the 1 to the right is always greater than 1 to the left. So, para ba mas natindihan natin, we proceed to the next slide. So, comparing integers. From the word increasing. So, magsimula tayo dito, papunta doon. So, magsimula tayo sa left to right, which is nandito ang negative. Example, 5 is greater than 1. So, 5 is greater than 1. From the definition, ang 5 is nasa right, and the 1 is nasa left. So, 5 is greater than 1. Okay. 0 is greater than negative 5. So, 0 is greater than negative 5. So, ang 0, nandun siya sa right. And ang 0 nandun siya sa right. And ang negative 5 is nandun sa left. So, 0 is negative. 0 is greater than negative 5 from the definition. Next, negative 2 is less than 0. So, dito naman ay hindi na siya gumamit ng greater than. Gumamit na siya ng less than. So, negative 2 is less than 0. Totoo naman. Pero from the definition, pwede natin siyang tawagin 0 is greater than negative 2. Ang 0 nandun sa right, and ang negative 2 is nandun sa left. Gets ba? Next, negative 8 is less than negative 3. So, negative 8 is less than to negative 3. Ang negative 3 ay nandun sa right. And ang negative 8 is nandun sa left. So, pwede rin natin siya sabihin, negative 3 is greater than to negative 8. So, pwede din natin, sa pamagitan din ng symbol, pwede natin din i-identify kung sino yung mas malaki sa kanila. Sa pamagitan nito, the symbol of greater than and less than. So, example ito, 5 is greater than 1. So, pwede natin siyang lagyan ito ng 5 and the symbol of greater than. So, 5 is greater than 1. So, nakita naman natin ito sa number line na ang 5 ay nandito sa right. And ang 1 is nandito sa left. Okay, next. 0 is greater than to negative 5. So, makikita naman dito, 0 is greater than to negative 5. Ang 0 ay nasa right, and ang negative 5 is nasa left. Negative 2 is less than to 0. Negative 2 is less than to 0. Diba? Next is negative 8 is less than to negative 3. Kita naman dito na mas maliit yung negative 3 ay negative 8 sa negative 3. So, pwede din natin siyang baliktarin, which is negative 3 is greater than to negative 8. Kuha niyo ba? So, ito lang muna ang ating video sa araw na ito. Kung mayroon pa kayong gusto matutunan, please like and subscribe my channel.